Hey yo, it's Chris O. With these clips, I've got them online, and quite a soft clip, and they don't bash out that well with a rubber hammer. So what I find is a pair of pliers. I got them on eBay, and they were a good price, but they're not quite as good as they should be. But it doesn't matter. You just get the suckers out with a pair of pliers. Might be a little bit slower than just bashing them out with a rubber hammer, but it's all good. We'll see you soon.